Hello guys and welcome to Enjoy Java program. In this tutorial we will discuss about the race conditions that can occur in case of threads. So what is race condition here? Race condition occurs when multiple threads update shared resources. To explain this, let's take a real world scenario of daily transactions involved in the bank at very basic level. Let's take two operations over here, account credit and account balance check. Suppose at time t1, person p1 checks his account balance, which is rupees 15,000, and simultaneously at time t2, person p2 transfers 5,000 into p1 account. So in this case, how it will be ensured that person p1 gets updated account balance of 20,000 rupees. This scenario will become more clear when we will implement it through the Java program. Now I will show you scenario to the Java program. Firstly, I will tell you what problem will occur when we are dealing with shared resources for multiple threads. Then I will tell you the solution for that problem. So here is demonstration of the scenario that I just told you. So here you can see my shared object is account class, in which I have declared one variable amount and is one boolean is writing. Okay, so here what I have done, I am getting the balance amount, and here it's changing the amount, that is it's taking the previous amount and the amount which is being transferred, and finally so this amount, previous amount and transferred amount will give us the updated amount here. So this is my main class over here, which is bank transaction maker. Here I am passing one account object and I'm giving its initial value as 10,000 rupees, and here I'm starting two threads in which one thread will change the account balance and the next thread will check the balance. So here basically I'm trying to replicate the scenario in which person P1 will transfer the amount over here and person P2 is taking the amount over here at the simultaneous time. So what change account balance is doing, as you can see, change account balance is just setting my account. This is my transfer amount. It's just giving me the transfer amount value and I'm transferring that. Here I have given it the initial value as 5,000 rupees, which is it's transferring to change account balance, and then the next thread is just taking the get account balance. So balance amount is just the account balance, updated account balance that should be received. So here let me run this. So let's analyze the output now. So in this I am just changing balance as 15,000, which was my first thread, that is in the case of P1, which is transferring the amount. Account balance I am receiving is 15,000. That is correct. So now changing balance is 20,000, as I am transferring the 500 amount more, and account balance which should be received should be 20,000. But here you can see I am receiving the account balance is 25,000. So you can see the discrepancy over here. So this was the problem that I was saying. So this is basically the race condition that basically occurs in the case of threads. So as you can see, the race condition occurs when I am transferring a shared object, which is account in this case, to two different threads at the same time. So what is happening over here? One thread change account balance is modifying the value of an object, but the other thread is not able to get that updated value over here. So to solve that problem, what we will do in sync, we will make the use of synchronized. So guys, what exactly synchronized do, I'll tell you later. I'll tell you the whole thing that I have made over here to prevent the race condition. Yeah, so it's done now. So let's run it. So as you can see, now I'm receiving the right amount. Changing balance is 15,000, which was my person P1 transfer. It's the account balance of 15,000. It has transferred. It was, as you can see, it was my initial amount was set as 10,000 rupees. So I have transferred 500 rupees. So it will be 15,000 now. And account balance that I am receiving is 15,000. Same you can see anywhere. Changing balance is 3,000, and I'm receiving the 30,000. Changing balance at 35,000, and I'm receiving it as 35,000. Changing balance as 40,000, so I'm receiving it as 40,000. So it's, you can see till end it's the same thing that I'm receiving. So changing balance is 57,000, I'm receiving the account balance of 51,000. So here you can see what I have done. Now I'll explain you what I have done to save the trade condition. So basically I have taken a boolean over here, is writing, so which will, and use synchronized variable, synchronized keyword over here in both the cases. So what exactly is happening, and when the thread comes in case of change amount, over here it checks for the is writing value. So as starting, my is writing value is true. So when is writing value is true, it will set the amount as 15,000. 500 will be 10,000 plus 5,000 it will check, and it will set the amount as 15,000. So at the same time, suppose at time t1 this thread is being accessed, this method is being accessed, at the same time I am checking the amount. So what will happen over there, it will check for the is writing value, and it will receive the is writing value as true. So it will, this thread, it will come in this wait condition, and it will wait till this thread notifies me, yeah, that I'm done with the job, now you can proceed. When this thread is done with the job, so it will come in this method, and it will give me the updated value over here, which I have set over here. So that's why the race condition would be solved, and I will get the updated amount always in this condition. So basically synchronized over here is locking my method object. It's locking, is taking a lock over that object, and thread will wait till this execution, until it gets a notify from the other thread. Hope you would have liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.